He ain't big, but that's one. Just getting rolling. And there's Jeff on the other side, but there's one. There's a limb behind me. Whoa! Missed another one. And got knots tied in my line. How does that happen? Now I'm hung up there. What's going on? This is obviously my first day to try this fishing. Surrounded by fish, hung up. And already off to another day of not knowing what I'm doing. Came back here to make that cast. And one hit it right there. Well, scary. Came back here on purpose for that cast and makes it look like I do know what I'm doing. I know I don't. But that's pretty good. 2 in the boat. 2 more should have been. And I'm easing back in here to make a couple of specific casts. There's one. That's a pretty good fish. He's got me hung. He came out. He came out. Whoa. Let's get him back around over here if we don't lose him. There you go. There you go. See if I can get out of this brush. Come on up here. Come on. Don't gig me. I got you. Yeah. Chattering. Another nice one. When I say deep, I'm not talking about deep water. I'm talking about deep in the brush. The farther back I'm getting, and there's one. The farther back I'm getting, the more I'm running into. Pound and a half. And there's why I came this far back. Oh, there he is. Just like I knew what I was talking about, and I usually don't. But there he is. Must be a little stick there too he was behind. Because I sure thought he was bigger than that. Yep. Pound and a half, still chattering. Splash me one more time. I've had, but it's one of those old dark goggle eyes. I mean, dark. Let's get a picture of him. There's actually some pretty good spots. Oh, that was just weak. Just no good. And got one anyway. Didn't even make a good cast. And he just came back. Easy came loose. Whoa. He was right on top of me. Well, I guess I was right on top of him and he came up from under the boat. Whoa. Don't hook me. After that chatter. Yeah, that baby's over too. A dandy. pretty good one. Come on up there. Yeah. Come on. I'm tired or he's towing me one or both. Come here. Almost came in. Yeah. That's a pretty good one. We are winding down, heading back. Not actually that far. I am tired. Oh, there's one. Back in behind everything. Whoa, this is one of our better ones. It is maybe the biggest one we caught. Hey, how about that? Good. I was going to throw him back anyway. Whoa. Not sure about that. I turned off my camera, but I had to put it back on. 19. Now I got to keep trying. One more. Made it to 19. I should paddle on in. I'm tired, dog tired. But I need one more to get to 20. Not sure what that means, but it is a little mark. And that 18th one on the video. He was 2.5 pounds, maybe even more. That's the biggest one I've caught today. No great big ones like last time. That last trip I had one just barely shy of 4 and one just barely over 5. Perfect. Oh, I don't know if that was. Could have been a little brim or something. Uh-oh. There's that one. I don't know what I'm going to do now.